Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. To start, first you want to open the front hood, and the battery is located just down here under this plastic cover. So to access the battery, first you will want to remove this cover, as it says here, remove for battery access. Now to do this you don't need any kind of tools, you just want to turn these plastic screws to a horizontal position, just like that, and then just pull it up and remove the cover. As easy as that. And now you pretty much have full access to the battery. Okay, so before you can start disconnecting the battery terminals and lifting up the battery, first you will have to remove the battery holder, which is down there. I hope you can see it. The purpose of the battery holder is to hold the battery steady while you drive so the battery doesn't move. Now to remove the battery holder you will need a ratchet with extension and a 13mm socket. And once you have all the right tools you can easily just place it down there and remove it. Okay, so this is the battery holder and the screw. Once that is off the way, the battery will become completely loose. So all you have to do, you have to disconnect the battery terminals. When disconnecting the terminals, you always first want to disconnect the negative battery terminal, then the positive, and when you are installing the new battery in, always first connect the positive battery terminal and then the negative one. So you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench key just to loosen up these nuts. You don't want to completely remove them, just loosen them up. Once this nut is nice and loose, you can completely disconnect the negative battery terminal. You just want to pretty much wiggle it off. Now in some cases, if the battery wasn't removed for a long time, this can get quite stuck. In that case you can try using like a flat screwdriver to just try and pry it underneath and get it off. If it still doesn't work, what you can also try, just place a flat screwdriver right here in the middle and use a hammer to tap it, and that should loosen it up. Also you can buy this special like spray which you can spray and it will loosen up the terminals. But this is the idea, just loosen up this nut and wiggle it off. Once you have removed the negative, you can do the same on the other side. And that's it. Once you remove the other terminal, you can just leave the battery straight up and install the new battery in its place. And again, don't forget, when you are connecting the new battery, always first connect the positive and then the negative, and once that's done, just place the battery holder back down. And that's it. This is how you can replace the battery, as easy as that. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.